Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of the day it is. Welcome! Here's a quick little video clip on how to install Kami. Now, Kami is an extension you add to your Chrome browser that allows you to open and edit PDFs. We use those a lot. And so Kami is just one way to do it. There's other ways to do it too. There's other programs. You can download the PDF and do it that way. But this works best for Chromebooks, which is what most of you have. So first of all, you have to be using Chrome. You can't be using Safari or Firefox or anything else. And then you'll notice that if you have Kami, there's a button that appears right next to a PDF that says Open with Kami. I don't have that extension installed, so it's not there. So how do we install it? It's super easy, barely an inconvenience. Open a new tab, and then just search for Kami extension, right? And then you go to the first one, chrome.google.com, and it's an extension, and all you have to do is click right here, Add to Chrome. And add the extension. Don't turn on the sync. Right? And there you go. Sometimes it asks you a couple of more questions like the purpose for which you're installing it and education. Right? So anyway, once you have it installed, it doesn't appear right away. See that? You have to reload the page, I believe. And there it is. And now you can open this PDF with Kami, and it opens in a new tab. Go ahead and log in with your Google. You have to use your LAUSD account, though. So if you don't have that set up yet, log in with your LAUSD account. And then it will open your PDF in a new window. And on here, you've got all these different tools you can use to edit and highlight and all kinds of things here. And yeah, so that's how you install Kami on your Chrome browser. Hopefully, I did a good job explaining it. If you have any questions or if you have run into any other problems, you can send me an email or leave me a comment below, and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. All right then, take care now. Bye-bye.